Well, welcome back here to the last day of February, the 28th, and trying to stay occupied while we're still waiting on all the old doctors for the Mrs. Mama Bear to get the biopsy. Going on a week now. Not having too much patience, but this is the Milwaukee little portable hand saw that we picked up in that estate sale in October. And got some repairs to do today. This little bracket right here and needs to be remodified. I'm going to take this apart, take it over to the mill, clean off the broke cast aluminum here, make a new little pillar block. That helps stop the rigidness of the saw on this front part right here. And I'm going to take and also deck with a fly cutter, strip her down, and treat this area right in here. I'm gonna mill this out. I'm gonna put a safety cutoff switch, even though it has a trigger. I'm gonna make a manual cutoff so I can walk away from it, and it won't do what prior owner did. You can see it cut way down in there deep. But we're gonna dress that up, put us a safety switch. Mr. Allen, that has the wonderful C3 Corvette, came over and helped us with a lot of cleanup. Oh, I tell you, you can actually walk in the old Bear's shop right now without tripping. Gonna go get some material here to pick up the Glop 450, get this pallet out of here, and get back on it as time allows during all this crisis with the bride. And so I won't probably make this a long video. We're going to recondition the saw. Got some 1-inch, and if we can roll this over on the camera without busting anything. Lo and behold, yeah, it's got some nipples in here with some Allen head bolts, 1-inch rigid schedule 40 pipes going in here. Builds its own little table. Might even put some wheels on that rascal. Let's take a little venture over here in the corner. The shed enclosure for the generator's going well. And I've got here sitting on the welding table to finish it up today. And actually can walk around in here for a change. You know, last video, this thing was so cluttered. Got the big aluminum nice shelf put up Saturday. It's gonna come in really handy. It's gonna be my addition to the electrical. Had to get rid of the thermostat, but don't use it in here on the HVAC anyhow. It's too expensive. So gonna make a nice addition here to store everything. Anybody that's watching this video wants a really good gang box, I'm gonna take off the Pexto 055E, make a table for it on rollers. But the gang box, it is a 3-tier built out of 3/16 plate. Give me a little comment if you have an interest in it. It's going to be sold right for about 5 Franklins. And I don't think you can even buy the material for that. But inventory pipe and stuff, I'm fixing to make a nice rack. Get back to all these taps and dies. And the Dayton bandsaw, got to get back on it, get this all blasted again and painted, and get back over here and put this, well, here's part of it, sitting over here, and that is a nice horizontal saw. Get that all taken care of. And that's what this little old video about today. And of course, there's Mr. Joe Pye's little saw. Got the guard on this thing on the back, not on the pulleys yet. Let's see if we can get around here and show you how to attach this. And it might help somebody, it might not. But these are a pain to get to those central machine screws. So I ended up taking springs, catching their hinge right here, and real simple, I can undo them. That blade jumps off. Real easy to get to. Let's see. Well, I got the cord wrapped around her. Let's undo her here a minute. Gonna build that guard with 3D printer, Allen, and I'm gonna look at building it just out of ABS. But yeah, you can see that is a real pain to get to the way the hinges are, and then it fouled. So maybe you guys have got one of these earlier. This is a 2006. Try out putting some springs on there. It works out like a champ. Let's see if we can set this around here. And then, of course, it's got the original little thumb knob on here. Simply undo that thumb knob and let that thing come off easy. All right, Bears Rod Shop. Hope you guys like cleaning up. Still got too many cars in here. Too much to do. And keep thinking about us as we continue to try to get the bride in. And one last look here this morning. I sure like that coat rack there, Mr. Brian over there at Metal Shaper. Man, it working out great. Fixing to move the welding machine over here in that location as soon as I finish up the generator shed. And then I'll have actually more walk-in area, more room. Got to get back onto the YouTube wall of honor, which is going to be in the house, not on this wall now. Which I got a really nice gallery plan. And y'all come back and visit, and please share. Bears Rod Shop, we're out of here.